So we will learn how to, okay, it's working. Okay, so we will learn how to create a terrain. Okay, so I'm using Unity 2019. All right, point 3 version 1. Okay, so the first thing that, okay, I have built my simple terrain. Okay, you can see it. Okay, it has no texture yet, no tree yet, because I have been trying to access to Unity Asset Store and the connection was so slow, guys. Since morning, I just can open the Unity Asset Store just now. Okay, so it takes a long time. And we will learn how to make this. Okay, and basically, okay, the first thing that you have to do to get the terrain, okay, you can just go, actually, if you create terrain here, okay, I'm just gonna create a new scene. Okay, save. All right, so, okay, right, so uh you can create terrain with many kind of way, okay, in Unity. Basically, what is terrain? Terrain is the place, I mean, I would say the environment for your game. Okay, so it can be anything. Normally, the terrain are like for creating forests, okay, with the tree, but it can be anything, mountain, whatever. So it's basically the environment for your game, and later you can add the character, you can add the many things there. Okay, so uh you can create the terrain by using here in Unity. Okay, just go with the terrain here. All right, okay, there you go, that you have the terrain already actually here. Okay, and these are all the uh settings for the terrain. Okay, we can go with the neighbor terrains and then paint terrain, add the tree details. Okay, but now Unity just came out with the new I would say new menu, new feature for creating the terrain. Okay, which is that you can get it from here. Okay, package manager. Okay, so since it's for 2020 version, so I have to go to show preview package in my Unity, because my Unity is 2019. So I'm going to preview the next year package, therefore it is still under preview. So I have to go to the preview package, and then I'm just gonna go with the terrain tools. Okay. All right, as you can see, it's there. Okay, so you can just download this, okay, and import. Okay, all right, but since I have already the terrain tools there, okay, here, okay, so I don't have to download it again. Okay, but if you have the, if you haven't have it yet in your Unity, then you should download it now. Okay, all right, so next we will start to work on our terrain, okay, by creating this. All right, so this is how we do it. Okay, basically you'll see the difference. Okay, if you see okay, Once, wait. If you see the difference later, it's just the difference are only that the terrain toolbox have this, all the setting, the width, the length, the height, the position, okay. But without this, then you can only set up by yourself. But again, the terrain toolbox still have to rely or depend on this, okay, in your inspector. All right. So now, okay, I think I'm just gonna show you what happened if we download that. Okay. So, all right. So if you download, I think it's gonna take time, guys. Okay, I hope it will be fast. All right. And okay, good. All right. So make sure you have few, of course, many storage, yeah, for that. Okay, I think I don't have to download this. I'm just gonna cancel it. Okay. All right. Basically, later they will pop up this. Okay, terrain toolbox. Right. Okay. And this terrain toolbox is like a new menu. Okay, new sub menu. Okay, and therefore it's also here, right, under window and terrain. Okay, but then I just want to make it easy, so I'm just gonna put it uh, beside my inspector. Okay, so you can drag it anywhere. All right, and then so we're gonna delete this terrain, the one that we produce manually without the terrain toolbox. Okay, so just delete it. Okay, so you can see that under the create new terrain, they have four, yeah, four setting here under the terrain toolbox. Okay, we have new terrain, setting, utilities, and visualization, right? So if you want to create the terrain, it's just gonna be easy. You can set the width here, okay, but normally we're just gonna go with the default, which is 500 times 500, okay, and all the settings position are same, okay. We don't want to do any gizmo or import height map yet, right? And the setting here all are uh, basic one, okay. But you can choose which one that you want to apply, basically, okay. Right, you can choose to untick all these or to tick all this. Basically, this is the basic setting. This is the resolution, okay. This is the texture resolution, okay. And all these are the trees and details, right? The density, the distance, okay. You can set it here later after you put the tree, right? And this is wind for the grass, okay. So later you can also put grass, and there you can set the size, okay, the speed, right? Okay, so meanwhile, let's just click create, right? So you can see that I have the terrain already here, okay. And then I'm looking for the camera. It's just that I cannot see the camera, okay, right? So right, okay, right. Okay, then we will go to the inspector now, okay, and we will click terrain group. Okay, uh, once we have the terrain, okay, you'll see in your hierarchy, we will have the terrain group here. Okay, and this is the first terrain, right, that is created, which is this terrain. Okay, and we will start to explore all of these one by one. All right, so once we have terrain, Unity will automatically have the collider, okay, for the terrain, basically for any object, game object that you put, directly Unity will put the collider. Previously there was no, guys, so this is a good improvement. Okay, so now, why Unity put this terrain? I mean, they name this terrain. Okay, because you can create more than one terrain actually. Therefore, uh, they will have it under the terrain group. So this is the parent, this is the children. Okay, so in this option, which is create or create neighbor terrains, you can create another terrain. Okay, which is like the terrain that like neighbor, so you can just create it anywhere you want. Okay, all right, and Unity has the set already for you. You can just have to click on the box. Okay, all right, so I'm thinking just to make up into this. Okay, then now we will start to decorate our terrain. Okay, so we can do many things. All right, firstly, I would like to raise or lower our terrain. Okay, so the terrain can be, you can click here, raise or lower terrain. Sculpt means you will sculpt the terrain. Effect, put some effect. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with this first. Okay, and all these are the brush. Okay, the brush, which are the option that you can choose. Okay, and in here are the brush strength, okay, size, the rotation. Okay, you can set based on what you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna start to see, and I hope that you can also explore. Okay, all right, so you can make many kind of things here. Right, okay, you can just hold it. Okay, just hold it if you want to make it uh, less, lower. Okay, and if you want to set the strength, is based on here. Okay, okay, you can change the height. You can see that my terrain is higher now. Okay, so I raise the terrain. Okay, what about if you put other shape? Okay, so we can just choose this maybe. Okay, and make it smaller maybe. All right. Okay, yep, so it's basically based on your creativity. Okay, all right, so this is raise or lower terrain. Okay, so next what you can do also is you can sculpt. Okay, so the sculpt here is making the I would say the noise, like you sculpt the terrain. Okay, and then making it more higher. Okay, right, and you should be able to create the bridge as well actually, but sometimes it depends on your uh, terrain. Okay, beside that, the noise that you saw just now, okay, you can also Unity now provide with the erosion, okay, which is the three types of based on the environment. Okay, so hydraulic means like the water, okay, water erosion. Okay, so this is really interesting. Yeah, it can. Okay, this is, you see, I put a higher brush strength so you can just eliminate it. Okay, right, and then let's see how it's gonna be with the thermal. Okay, okay, right, right, okay. Then maybe let's try to put it under other brush. How about the wind? Okay, right, the wind. Okay, uh, means the environment or your terrain will uh create the effect of like they are got the wind. Okay, you can see this is the wind, like in the desert. Okay, so there's an effect of wind on your terrain. Okay, and beside that, okay, you can also put the slope. Right, the slope is where you can put this raise or lower terrain. And just now, wait, uh, put the wind. Yes, here. Okay, under the built-in brush. Okay, right, you have the slope. All right, so you can actually add. Okay, I have added just now. Okay, if you don't have it, then you should add it. Just choose slope. That should be here. Okay, here, right, add to list. There are many kind of brush mask. Okay, brush mask. Okay, I choose slope because I want to make it like a slope. Okay, the uh, the shape of slope, right? So I choose this slope. Okay, then it will be edit like this, right? Because I have it already, then I just have to uh, delete one. Okay, and this is the strength that you can put. So once you put the slope, okay, you can see that it will be right. It will make you it will have the slope effect. Okay, you can see it's higher and it looks like the slope. Okay, if you don't put the slope, then you won't have it, right? Okay, you see it's uh, higher and lower. Okay, it's shaped like slope, right? Okay. Okay, maybe if I put this, okay, right, see, it is higher, and you can just choose which part that you want to make it high, which part that you don't want to make it high. Okay, therefore you have to know the environment of your game. Okay, all right, I think it's enough for me for my slope. Well, my terrain looks kinda uh incredible. I would say it's so unique. Okay, so I just make this as the purpose to show you that we can create many kind of things using the terrain. toolbox. Okay. Then, okay, beside that, we can also set the height, okay, using the slope. All right. You can see when we click set height, and there is a slope effect here, which is that you can make it. Okay. Maybe I will make it here, set height and feature size. Let's see. Right. Let's just make the other. Okay. You can see it is going up. All right. What's wrong? Okay. It's going up, and all right. So there is also the slope. Okay. Okay, this is the, okay, we have 40 range now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you put in the specific terrain, then means the unity means this belongs to this terrain. Okay, because now we have 4 terrains. Right. Okay. So that's what happened. All right. Then, okay. After that, okay. Right. You see what am I doing just now? Okay. And then next we can paint holes as well. Okay. If you want to see, this is the hole that we have. Right. And the hole can be any kind of shape. Okay. Right. So yeah, it's up to you. Okay. And then paint texture. Okay, this is the one that interesting, that can make your terrain go colorful. Okay, in this case, you will add layer. Okay, right, and then you will choose the assets from your Unity. Okay, but meanwhile, I have just okay, I'm just gonna tell you that this is one of the asset that you can choose, which is like Speed 3 Unity. Okay, this is a free 3 asset in Unity, and it's quite good. Okay, I think this is the only 3 that is free, if I'm not mistaken. Some of them, most of them are paid. And this is the free ground materials. Okay, where it will be very good for your ground materials, which is for your terrain, for the ground of your terrain. Okay. And this is the third person character that we will add also later after we decorate our terrain. Okay. And this is the grass flowers pack, the basic one. Okay. This is a good starter pack of 2D grass. Okay. And this is the terrain sample asset pack as well. Okay. So you can download all these, and all these assets will be very helpful for you. Okay. So I'm just gonna open this one by one. Okay. All right. This take time, guys. So therefore, I hope it's gonna be fast. Okay. Not like previously. Okay. Even this one, I just can open this finally after many hours. Okay. So meanwhile, I think Hmm. Actually, I want to tell you about the final project. Okay. Oh. All right. So meanwhile, it's decompressing. I hope it's still working. Okay. I'm gonna, well, I'm gonna tell you, oh, it's importing. Good. Okay. All, of course. Okay, import. Okay. I'm gonna tell you the, what is it? Okay. The criteria for your game. Okay. Because I know that it's gonna be better for you to know what are the criteria that you need, okay, for your game. All right. So basically, okay, uh, let's just share again. Okay. So we have, we have level, okay, main menu and score. All right, which is 20 marks, okay, and gameplay 20 marks as well. Game craftsmanship, basically this is the overall element of your game, from the UI, the assets, the color, the gameplay, the character, okay, presentation itself, okay, the YouTube, and the individual participation. Therefore, I've told you that I will mark based on your contribution. And finally, timeliness is the uh, punctuality for you to submit the final project. Okay. Right. So meanwhile, let's continue now. Okay, I think it should be there. Okay, it should be there already. Okay, the samples. Yep, it's here. Okay, good. Okay, then I have the other thing, which is grass. Grass, yeah. Okay, import. And then, okay. All right, so it's here, grass, flowers. Okay, and what else do I have? Wait. Okay, let me see. All right, this one, speed 3. Okay. Right. So you can start to download all those assets. Okay. And third person. Okay. I have it there already. It should be open in Unity. Okay. Anyway, how are you guys? Are you still with me? How many of you are here now? Okay, only 27. Ahmad Zoref. Hi, Ahmad Zoref. Are you there?
I'm here.
Okay. Ahmad, I just want to tell you that I think previously you asked about your lab, right, with Hazim.
Yes, yes.
So the thing is, you only submit the screenshot of
Ah,
your lab exercise, yeah,
I see.
and not full coding. Okay. So next time, please submit the full code, okay, and with the screenshot of the result, okay?
All right. Thank you, madam.
Okay. Okay, I'm opening. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, wait. There are, uh, why? What's this? Opening file. Okay, cancel. There's still, can I import now? Oh, package manager dependencies. No. Okay, I'm afraid. Yes, import. Okay, then, all right. Okay, so the last is this one. Use free ground materials, right? So make sure you have the Unity ID, guys, so you can connect to Unity ID, to your Unity ID and download all these assets. Okay. Why many of you are not coming to the lab? It's like more than 50% of you are not here. Nanti time lab test confused. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, cancel. All right. Okay, import. Okay, right. So we have all, guys. Okay, so we have all our assets here. Right, it's very good. So make sure that you have download all the assets as well. Okay, and I think Unity as a store is quite slow. I don't know, is it from the Unity or my internet here in the office in FTMK exactly? Okay, all right. So where were we? We were at the okay, all right. So we want to paint the texture now. Okay, so you can go here, the paint terrain, and choose paint texture. Okay, and then okay, I'm sorry. Just wanna sneeze. All right. So now I want to add layer here. Okay. Right. So we can see that there are many layer that we can add here. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. So we can see we have dirt, moss, rock, sands, crease, snow. Okay, I think you can see it here. Okay. So we will add this dirt, okay, to this terrain. All right. So if you guys have used Photoshop before, this is like a Photoshop version of Unity. I mean, Photoshop part in Unity. Okay. I was a graphic designer before I moved to gaming. Okay. So I'm really, I was, uh, I was so used to use Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere. Okay. Then I think I need to make it work, not only to design. Therefore, I love to learn the coding. Okay. So then I learned the C sharp, then the game. Okay. Most of the lacking in New Time Student so far is the design part or art. Okay, because you guys don't get any art subject. Okay, most of the subject that you got is like for programming. Okay, so you can make, it's good to make the game work with all the AI. the scripting. Okay, but uh, a game also should have good art. Okay, so yep. So we add all the things. Okay, here. So we just have to check all here. Okay, check the layer palette if you want to check all, or if you don't want, you can just choose which one you want. Okay, like me, I'm choosing all for this part. Okay, we'll see what's the difference later. Okay, right. Okay. Uh-huh. So I'm just gonna put here with all the layers. Okay, so you will have to add one by one. That's too bad. I don't think Unity allow us to add more than one layer. Okay, so it has to be in for all. Okay, and maybe you can try to duplicate. So you create one terrain and then you put all the texture and you duplicate all the setting. Okay, but if I duplicate now, I will lose different setting that I put in different terrain. Okay, all right. So that's what happened. Then we'll go to the next terrain. Okay, I'm gonna try not to put the all now. Maybe I won't put the moss. Maybe I'll just gonna put the rock and the sand and the snow. Let's see what's the different. Okay, so now guys, this is the thing that we put. You can see it has this. Okay, right, but this is all also same, but this part, it doesn't have the uh oh, this one, it doesn't have the moss. Okay, and the what else, what's the other one, the scree. Okay, so yeah, or maybe I'm just gonna try to check what happen if I don't have the snow. We cannot really see here, but yeah. So next, this is the last one. Okay. Okay. And all right. So we have put all in our terrain. You can press Alt and hold your mouse. Oh, this is so beautiful. I like the texture. Okay. Right. While you move your terrain. Okay. Right. So the camera. Right. We can set the camera later. All right. So far, so good, guys. Uh, Aiman Hakim. Hi, Aiman. Hmm.
Yes, madam.
So how are you?
Good.
So far, what do you see from the terrain?
um,
How
from the
is it for
train.
you so far? Have you created terrain before?
No.
So in the previous class also no one has taught you how to create terrain.
No.
So what do you think? What do you think you can do with this?
Uh, I got no idea for now.
Okay. Well, you can do many things. Okay. Basically, this is for your game. You can create checkpoint, any quest. Okay. Your character will walk here and anywhere. So this is maybe the first level for your game. Okay. So this is like a level for your game. So later maybe this is a random terrain, yeah. Later maybe we can learn how to create the concept for your level, and you create the level based on the concept, okay, using the terrain in Unity. All right. Okay. Thank you, Aiman.
Okay, madam.
Okay. So next, what we're gonna put is the what's next is the grass. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna put here. Okay. In here is wait. I'm gonna add trees first, right? Okay. And is there any tree? Wait. We have the trees here. Okay. Uh, right. Okay. So we have broadleaf. Okay. Choose the one with the the prefab one, guys. Okay. So make sure that you have the okay, you can see when you see the import here, you have many, which is are the alpha. Okay. The normal map here. Okay. Right. Okay. So many trees. Okay. That you can try to apply. Right. And I'm looking for the prefab now. Okay. Right. Wait. So I used to have this before, but I deleted already. Okay. Right. Wait. Hmm. Okay, wait. I think let's just go with the this one first. Okay. So I'm gonna add another layer. Okay. I don't know why the grass are not there, yeah, guys. Okay. So I have to put the under, which is wait. So uh-huh. Okay. Right. Okay. So we have the grass here. Okay. Right. So you can import the grass by using this. Okay. Create new layer. Okay. And then create. Right. And you find just search grass because there are so many texture in your Unity. Okay. So import the grass that you want to apply. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna go with this. Right. And okay. So let's just put all and see how it's gonna make our first theorem. I don't know, I don't see it. What's wrong? Okay, wait. Huh. Okay, so guys, okay, I forgot that the here, okay, for example, yeah, this one, okay, it's here. Okay. We can set the layer properties as well. So we change the properties here, okay, which is maybe we can change the color, I don't know, okay, and then we can increase the metallic, the smoothness, okay. This is the diffuse map, so basically we just use diffuse map. Diffuse map is the, okay, how to say ya? So for example, you take picture with your phone, take picture of a mountain, then that's a diffuse map, okay? Right. So yeah, it should be there, but I don't know why it's not there. Okay, okay. Then after that, we will paint the grass. Okay, so we can choose the things, okay, of the grass, right? And maybe wait. Okay, I will choose all this, which is we will have all uh the grass that we want. Okay, you can see all are changing, okay, to green based on our grass here. Okay, what will happen if I don't choose that? Okay, so it's very easy. You just have to make it all are spread around. Okay, maybe if you wanna choose different stem, it will be fine as well. Okay, right? Okay, we cannot really see it right now because it's from far. Okay, right. Okay, so this is the grass. Right. For the first terrain. Okay, so we're gonna do the other terrain. Okay, which is the next terrain. All right, and we will add another grass. Okay, all right, so let's just put another grass here. Okay, right. Okay, we are painting the grass. Okay, here. All right. Okay, then after that we will also put the tree later. Okay, so I'm gonna change this and I'm gonna set the okay layer properties. All right, so I'm making it all now here. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm looking for the brush. What is it? Brush size. That's the thing. Okay, so I can paint it more faster. Okay, then right. Okay. All right, then good. Okay, so it's the grass. Okay, so now we want to paint the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna add the tree here. Add tree. This is what I'm confused for, yeah, guys. So I'm gonna create another, which is tree. Okay. Well, wait. So I am assigning the tree, means I have to bring it to the okay, this is the broadleaf. Okay, you can see the tree has the LOD. I think you guys have learned LOD, right, in this class before. Okay, so they have 3 level of LOD here. Okay, means when you see it, this is very close, guys. Okay, this is what happened in the game, right? When you play game, you will see this. Okay, you will see all the grass that I put just now. I love it. Okay, then the further you saw it, the less detail is it and smaller it is. Okay, so the tree has had the LOD. Okay, right, so I want to put it in LOD 0 now. And how to create LOD is by using Blender. Okay, I can teach you later in other class, but not now. Okay, and then so let's find another prefab. Okay. All right. I think just go with the broadleaf first. Okay. To make it fast. Right. And in here also you can change the setting of the tree. Okay. Right. And then here and then we can add tree now. Okay. All right. So we can choose either we want to go with the broadleaf. Okay, we only have broadleaf here. So I will go with the broadleaf. Okay. Right. So we can just paint it anywhere we want. This is broadleaf mobile. Okay. It has broadleaf desktop. It has anywhere. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, maybe I want to put another for other terrain. Okay. So I will add 3 and I will choose this broadleaf. Okay. Right. Okay, let's just go with any tree that we want. Right. Oh, this is a pool. I shouldn't put any tree there. Okay. Right. Okay. So, yep. I think that's all we're done with our tree, guys. Okay, you can decorate more, maybe with flower. Okay. And things. Right. Okay. Right. Good to see the tree. Nice. Okay, then done. Okay, we have add the tree, and then now it's the time for what is it? Paint details. Okay, I think I'm just gonna show you. Okay, it's not working. This paint details is just to paint the details in your Unity. Okay, you can also add brush. Okay, add grass texture. Okay, and maybe try add this. Okay, and then right. Okay, so add. So that's the thing. Okay, all right. So now we will add the character. Okay, so we will add the character. Wait, let me see. I think I'm just gonna want to see from the camera. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh. Okay. Right. Okay. So now we will get the character. Okay. Right. So this is the character, and we take the prefab. Okay. So let's just go to the prefab and take the character. Okay, I cannot see it. There is no LOD. Okay, let's just scale the character. Okay. Let's just make all this 0 and whoop. Okay. Okay, I have to. Well, let's just delete this first. Okay, then where is it? Oh my god. Okay, it's here. Okay, right. So I think I downloaded the wrong package. I don't know. It's just as fair, but it's okay. As long as we know how to do this. Okay. Right. You can download any other character that can help you to create the third-person controller, basically. Okay. Right. So let's just make this bigger. Okay, I'm just gonna make this a little bigger. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, I think in Unity you also can this one. I normally use this, guys. Okay, character pack. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, and okay, it's loading. All right. Then the rest is that you can also refer this in the lab notes that I have sent you. Okay, I have uploaded to the Unity. Okay, to uLearn. I mean, okay. Right. Okay. So this is the but in here is this one is the checkpoint. Okay. Right. So in this case that we have the Tyrian already. Okay, and then the third person character. Okay. And now we are ready to add some checkpoint system. Okay. Then we add the sphere, right? And create a prefab folder. Okay, and create an empty object where the checkpoint prefab is inside it. Okay. So the thing is, we haven't have the checkpoint prefab yet. Okay, but I think I'm just gonna show you how you can do it. Okay. Okay, they have, you see that they have player movement see coding and player movement controllers UI. Okay, so let's just see how this works first. Okay. Right. I'm wondering. Okay, all compiler errors. Okay, what is the error? Let's go to our console. Oh, how? Okay. Player movement. Okay, player movement error. Okay, well, let's just delete this. This is not in our asset. Okay. Then what else? Okay. Wow. I cannot run this. What is the error is not so okay, it's importing. Hold on. Okay. My goodness. I'm sorry, guys. You have to wait. And I don't know what's. All right. Okay. It looks so shiny, guys. You can see it looks so shiny. Let's just see it first. Okay. This is what I like. I don't really like a dark forest. Okay, I like the light green, not dark green, because it looks bright, right? But I don't know. I don't think I have baked the light yet. Have I? Okay, so I'm just gonna try. Can the controller move? It should be able to move. Okay, it's not moving. All right. So wait. Let's see. Okay. right? So we have the character here, okay, and I think we already have the collider, isn't it? We don't have the collider yet. Oh my goodness. Okay, so wow, yeah, we don't have any collider here. This weapon, this is the character but no collider. You see, guys? So I'm gonna add collider. No, not box collider. Sphere collider. Okay, right? Okay, so I should add the collider here. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go to their script because it's already in their script. Should be. Okay. This is player movement. Player movement controller. Okay. All right. UI. All right. So let's just see the coding. Okay, it's so slow, right, guys? Okay, guys. So it's opening now. Oh. This is why I don't like live lab. Okay. We can see that they have collider here. Okay. And then character controller. They are using character controller, not rigid body. Okay. They have the speed here, right? Okay. Controller. They're accessing the collider, but there is no collider in the component just now. Okay. And then private void on enable. Okay, current controller change. Right, go down, go down. Oh, not responding. Okay. So we have to add, oh my goodness. Okay. All right. We have to have the, come on lah. Okay. We have to add the collider one. Okay. If you see that in your lab is this one. Okay. However, we doesn't have the checkpoint first. Okay. So, okay, I'm thinking. Okay. All right. Oh my God, what's wrong? Okay. Why? Why I don't see this guy? It has dependency just now. Okay. Where? I'm just gonna go with the, oh my goodness, come on. Checkpoint. Okay, and right. Okay, we don't have the free one, guys. All right. So let me see. Okay. So I'm just gonna go the, wait. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with the sphere. Okay. So we just gonna follow this. Okay. And then, okay, the thing is our assets is not enabling this. Okay. The assets that in this tutorial, I don't find it in my asset. Okay. This one, right? Okay, so we don't have that. Okay. Therefore, I don't think it's there. Okay, let's just, okay. So make sure you you download the, you can see that the the assets that is here, they have the third person controller. Meanwhile, mine is the, wait, the third person control is not there. Okay, only the character here. Okay. And then the, if you want to create any prefab, then it's gonna be easy. I mean, it's just the, we have to create this. Okay. And then wait. Okay, I'm just gonna try here. Okay. I'm just gonna try here. Again, I'm gonna make this as a checkpoint. Okay. So this is our character, yeah. This is the sphere, right? Okay. Right. This is our sphere. Okay. I'm just gonna make it bigger. Okay. So you can create the checkpoint by yourself. Okay. But the thing is the character itself that you have to get the right asset, because the one that I downloaded is not is not in the It's not in the shape of the model, 3D model. Okay, it's just a sphere. Okay, right. So let's just make this as our checkpoint. Okay, right. Okay, and the thing is, we have to add the checkpoint prefab, which is we don't have it now. Okay, probably with the assets that is provided in the lab notes is there, is inside the assets, but I have searched the checkpoint is not here. Okay, so I don't have any prefab. My prefabs are only these prefabs. Okay, so make sure you download the assets with the checkpoint prefab in it. Okay. All right. So actually, what we should do is we have to put this player movement, the coding. Okay, this part. This is the collider coding. Okay, means we set the collider. Okay, so when we put this, okay, we have the sphere collider, right? Okay, so we want that when the character comes to this checkpoint, then they're touching or colliding together. Okay, when we arrive, we get the point. Okay, so therefore we have to set the collider. Okay, we have already collider in Unity, but we don't have the collider in the character movement in the coding itself. So we have to insert the collider coding part in the character movement coding. Okay, before when the character comes to the checkpoint, then they will have some detection. Okay, and we can enable the things that we want lah. Okay, whether they want, but for sure we will activate the colliding. Okay, therefore it's a trigger on trigger. Okay, collider other. So this is the tag of the checkpoint. Okay, so we will add that. All right. Okay, so all these are the existing script from the player third person controller. Okay, right. And then now we want to put it here. Okay. So let's just copy this. Okay. Right. Okay. Then we have errors. Okay, we have many errors. The thing is, we field gun weapon. Okay, I think we just have to delete the part that we don't need. But what's this? 231. Discount. Okay. Right. So they are counting something here. Okay, means there will be maybe the point added or score added. Okay, if they come to the checkpoint, right? But this previous coding doesn't have uh, the counting system because it's different script, right? Okay, then after that Right. So the solution is that you can download the third person controller. Okay. Third person 3D third person character. Okay. Find this on Unity Asset Store. Okay. Right. Find this one. What? There is no free one, huh? No free. Okay. Oh, we have Rare Pack Bundle. Okay. This one is possible. Okay. And the checkpoint you can download by yourself as well. Oh, it's so slow. It's just find it. Okay, while waiting for that, we just have to enable this Sphere Collider and its trigger. Okay, right. So I just wanna. Oh, what are the other errors? Okay. We have many errors here. Okay, I just want to show you what's the difference between what's this weapon. I think I did not maybe I did not what is it, I import all the assets. Just many problems here. Okay, I just want to show you what happened if we don't. What else? Okay, come on, please. Okay. So right now we cannot see anything. Okay, but we can see that this is moving. Okay, and then if we put this collider here, okay, means it will allow our object or this sphere to go down. Okay, to go down to the gravity. Okay, follow the gravity. But if you don't turn it on, then it is not gonna be going down. Okay. All right. So besides that, okay, you can download this Warrior Pack bundle 3 free for now, because I know you guys you haven't learned how to code yet or how to model yet. Okay, so I will show you just from the Unity Asset Store. I think that's the best solution for you. Okay, and the checkpoint also, please get the checkpoint prefab from the Unity Asset Store as well. Okay, so you have to add two things, right? The Warrior Pack and the checkpoint. Okay, beside all the things that I have put just now, the grass flower, the ground marble, the free speed tree, Terrain sample asset pack, right? I think I'm gonna put this here and the chat box. Okay, right, and this one. Okay, Then what else? Okay. Right. Okay, and this one is the marble. Oh, one more is the skybox. Okay, this is the Yugus one. This is the free speed. Okay. All right. So, uh, so finally you have done your checkpoint. Okay. And then you can choose, yeah, either you want to create the menu or the score and display the score. Okay. So for the lab test, after you've done the checkpoint, okay, then please add one more thing, okay, either number 1 or number 3. Okay, not this one, yeah, guys. Okay, number 1 or number 3. So please listen to me. I need to see the score and display the score or the menu in your Unity. Okay, and I need you to write the coding in PDF and put the screenshot of your Unity. Okay, put the game scene, right? Okay, so that's the thing that you should do. Okay, right. Or wait, I'm still curious. I want to download this. I think I have that in my Unity. Wait. Okay, this one, right, is importing. Okay, import and import. Oh my goodness, come on. Come on, guys. Okay, right, is it there? Is it there? Uh, okay, this one. Okay, and I'm just, right. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, let's see what will happen, guys. Okay, so, uh, right. Just make it bigger. Come on, I'm gonna make you higher and bigger. Okay. Right. So this is our character. You can see him. Okay. Why? Right. So he's there. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. He's there. Come on, buddy. Right. So, okay. And then I'm just gonna see how it moves. Okay. It's supposed to be move. Right. Yes. It just can jump. Okay. It has the animation, but it's still not able to walk yet. It's just walk at the place. Okay, we will have to code for the movement. Okay, all right, but at least you can see that it's morphing. Okay, right, it can jump. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, right, so I think you can also okay, you can see that they don't have the player movement, but I like the animation of this, which is very detailed. They have the bone animation for this to move their legs. Okay, right. And then, well, okay. What's this? Position, jump, timestamp, control mode. Okay, right. Well, let me see. Uh, yep. Okay, so yep, this is the man. Wait. Okay, it should move. All right. Okay, so if we want to add the movement here, then we have to change based on the script there. Okay. All right. And then, okay, let's see here. Okay, this is the character control. Okay, here. Right, they have the speed. Okay, jump force, animator, rigid body. Okay, walk scale, backward scale, run scale, interpolation. Right, jump timestamp. Oh my goodness, it's jump interval, jump input, collision. Okay, collision enter. Right. Okay, so we have to add the speed. Okay, right. Okay, so I hope that you guys can think how to do it. We are running out of time. Okay, and then what is one more thing that okay, if you see here, okay, it's quite dark, right, guys? Okay, it's quite dark. Okay, so I don't know why it's different than the previous one. Okay, but what I want to tell you is that you can add the light. Okay, so add directional light. Okay, make it as the children under your main directional light here. This is directional light main. Okay, Let's just name this main. So make it as the child, okay? The children of the main directional light. Where is it just now? Where are you? Oh, it's here. Yep. Okay, you can put it in the different uh, angle. Okay, you can create more than one. So, oh, it's here. Game object light and directional light. So you can create another directional light. Okay. Which is maybe here. Okay. Right. Okay, so you can set the part where you want it to be bright, where you want it to be dark. Okay, maybe you don't want all parts to be bright, like this part. It has some dark, and this is the light one. Okay, so set it as what you want. Okay. And then, okay, all right. So, yep, let me see. And this part is too bright. It's too bright because I think I have the directional light here. Okay, let me see. Okay. Right. Okay. So, think about how you can make it. All right. Okay. Maybe it will be easier if you just try to download first person controller. Okay. And see the detail of your of your okay of your game. Okay. Oh, I have that already. Wait. Okay. So I have this, right? And then, okay, I'm importing. Oh, okay. So how is it, guys? So far? Any question, guys? I hope I'm not talking alone here. Okay. Most of you come late. uh, wait. Okay, I have this one. Okay. Okay, this is the prefab, right? So, okay. So I think I can see now how my, okay, let's just play. So you can see the details of your, oh my goodness. Why, what's wrong? Oh my God, okay. Wait. Oh, I think. Wait, guys. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this, but what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, I cannot find it really. It's just. Then when okay, when I think it's kind of error. I don't know, or the one that is. So it's there. Okay. Right. So it's here. Okay. Then I need that to walk now in my. But it's not moving. Okay, it's not showing in my game. All right. Oh. You see that my character, the guy, he's actually moving. Okay, he's moving, but okay, wait. Wow, I cannot see my cursor. Wait, guys. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this first. Okay, and I'm gonna find him. Okay, and okay, he's actually moving, but he's very slow. Yep. All right, and yep, the speed is very slow. Okay, and then oh, it's gonna end soon. Wait. Okay, I'm looking for the speed. Okay, let's just change this to 50. Okay. I don't know. 100. Jump force. Make it 75. Okay. Then wait. Okay. So let's just save this first. Okay. And then we play again. Let's just see how this goes. Okay. It's faster now. Right. Yep. It's faster. I think we should make it faster now. Yep. Oh. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. So save it again. Okay. Right. Oh, I'm sorry. I make it. Okay. Save. Right. And then play it again. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's moving faster right now. Okay. Right. And I think the directional light, I think it's too dark, too bright. I think I'm just gonna delete this one. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay. And I hope it's clear for you. And one more. So in here you can see your terrain more clear. Okay, from the grass, the trees. Right. Okay. Right. So I hope you can submit me this detailed terrain. Okay. And detailed screenshot for your character, the score or the menu. Okay, the movement. All right, the checkpoint. Okay. So I think that's all, guys. How is it so far? Any question? Okay. Yes, Alif. I think because the lighting also. Okay. And the coding, of course. Okay. The speed. Okay. And for lab test, what to submit? I've told you, right? The coding and the screenshot. Okay. Screenshot of your terrain. Screenshot of your detailed terrain, yeah. And then checkpoint. And you have to add either score or menu. So this also has to be put. Okay. Put it all in detail so you can get full mark. All right. Any other question? Okay, I want us to Cheng Yihan. Cheng Yihan and the others who think that you did not submit any of lab exercise. There are 3 of you here. Okay, and also Anis Attila. Anis Attila, please reply me. Okay, I have texted you on WhatsApp, but you didn't reply me. All right. So if you think that you don't have or you don't want to do any lab exercise or you don't want to do any effort in my class, please drop this class before I fail you. Okay, because I have given you many chance. All right. For those who haven't submitted any lab exercise, okay. It's grouping, right? This is lab test, dear. Lab test is individual. Okay, every lab test is individual. Therefore, you submit it individually. Okay, and I give you 1 week. Okay, so you can submit by next week, right? And the coding means Unity package. No, the script, Li Hong. Okay, the script and the screenshot or the video if you have. All right. Okay. Any other question? Okay, one more thing. I think because many of you come late, right? So I want to tell you for your game. Okay. For your game next week, you have to present the progress, yeah? So we will have the presentation on 20 of January. Okay, but your game I will put this letter in ULearn, but I'm gonna tell you ahead from now. Okay. This is the marking criteria for your final project. Okay. Which is I'm gonna see based on the level, main menu, and score, which is 20 marks. The gameplay, 20 marks. Game craftsmanship, which is everything, the UI, the graphic, the asset, okay, the overall experience of your game, which is 20 marks as well. Presentation, 15 marks. Individual participation, that's why I told you last week, please do your job, okay, because I'll mark you individually. And later you have to fill up the what you have done, and also you will mark your friend. And then lastly is timeliness. Okay, make sure you submit it on time, not late. Okay, all right. So before you submit the progress or show me the progress next week, I hope you can pay attention to these criteria, especially those who don't submit the lab exercise, yeah, at all, zero. Okay. All right. So I think that's all, guys, for today. Thank you for coming, and